Hey everyone, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. Today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my entire house. This is an all-day clean with me, so if you are needing some cleaning motivation, this is the perfect video for you. This day was such a cold, rainy day. February has been such a cold month for us here in Arizona, and I know all across the nation as well. So this was the perfect day to spend just picking up the entire house. My husband and I were getting over a cold or sinus infection, so our house was a little bit in shambles, as you will see. So just starting out with the bedroom, let's get to cleaning.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but I know it, you know it.
I started keeping a few water bottles at my bedside just because each night when bedtime comes, my kids all of a sudden tell me how thirsty they are. Funny how that works. I'm sure other moms can relate. And then I also like to use this water for my diffuser when I diffuse my essential oils in the evening. I'm just going to give the furniture a quick wipe down using a microfiber cloth with some end dust. So whatever sickness that my husband and I had, it seems like everybody around us has it. Some kind of sinus infection. Again, we didn't have any fever or anything like that, but I remember feeling so cold, nothing could keep me warm. It felt like I had a fever, like because I was shivering, but no fever, and that's why I had my electric blanket there, because I had to use that just to keep me warm.
Oh my baby, so I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but I know it, you know it, we make it.
Next, just moving on to my master bath. It wasn't real dirty, but it needed a little bit of tidying up, and then I gave it a quick wipe down.
It's not my fault, you know I had to walk away. It's been 5 years and not one of us has changed.
For my mirrors, I'm using water and a microfiber cloth. This one just happens to be a Norwex brand for windows and glass, so it's a little bit finer of a microfiber cloth and works really well.
Myself and I at least give it a try. Sometimes we're just ourselves and not with someone else. Me, myself and I.
To wipe down my bathroom counters, I'm using this Method all-purpose cleaner.
Sometimes we're just ourselves and not with someone else. Don't give it up.
And that is it for the upstairs. That is all clean. The boys will do their own rooms throughout the week and on the weekend as part of their chores. Now it's time to do the downstairs, and as you will see, it was a rainy day. Here's a look at the downstairs. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a before clip just to show you how messy it was, and I had a lot of picking up to do. So just starting out in the kitchen, my son loves to play with these Legos and drag them all over the house. So the easiest way for me to clean it up was just to get a big old bowl and just scoop up all his Legos and gather all his toys throughout the house. Just clearing out all the clutter from my desk area. If there's one thing I do not like to do, that is go through papers and declutter paperwork and organize it. That's like, I don't know, the worst thing for me. I just do not like it.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave, so close to the end.
Just moving on to the dishes. I'm loading it up right now. I previously unloaded it before taking the boys to school, and I have them sitting out on the mat drying because, as most dishwashers, they don't tend to dry the cups very well. So now that they've air dried for a while, I'm just going to go ahead and put these away. This is a cute little coffee cup that I found at Walmart during Valentine's Day. It just says better late than ugly. I just thought it was cute.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
To wipe down my countertops, I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's concentrated spray in a different kind of spray bottle that I've mixed with water. You can get this at Target. It's a little bit more money to buy the concentrate, but it will last a lot longer and be cheaper in the long run. And I'm using that same Mrs. Meyer's spray for my fridge. It works pretty good, but it would have worked a little bit better had I used a microfiber cloth that was a little bit more dry, because this did leave a few streaks. Then I'm just going to clean off my menu for the week. I haven't been super into meal planning that much just because we've been sick and my husband's schedule has changed a little bit, so he's not home for dinner every night. But yeah, I did not end up filling that out.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one.
I'm not sure how I feel about these mats. I have them in both entryways just to collect the dirt and stuff when we walk in the entrances, but they tend to collect a lot and it's visible all the time. So what I did is vacuumed them and then moved them into the kitchen area, which you will see here shortly. But on this day, as you saw, it was rainy, so my husband got home and was wondering where the mat was to wipe his feet because the mat outside was all wet. So yeah, that didn't work. I ended up moving them back.
Much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
The kitchen is all done. It looks so good. Now it's time to move on and tackle the rest of the house. Just a little bit more to go, guys. There's the sunshine. Yay! It's coming out. Moving on to the living room area. This room wasn't too bad. My plan for this room is to do a couple things. One, I want to chalk paint that little side table in the back corner there. And then I also want to get a rug for this room. Our house is so cold. I think it's because of the flooring that we got over the summer. We got rid of all the carpet downstairs. So I'm hoping a new rug will kind of warm the area up. The cooler temps are nice in the summertime when it's nice and hot, but in the wintertime it's really hard to keep our house warm and stay cozy. So yeah, I am looking forward to the spring and the sunshine and warmer weather.
From the enemy, you're superhero. You're superhero. Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away.
And just picking up the family room kind of to finish it off. As you can see, we have like every blanket out again because it is so cold. So we just cozy on up with our blankets.
Just know that you can, yes you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change.
If you are not already following me over on Instagram, my username is here and I will leave a link down in the description box below if you wanted to go ahead and follow me. To clean my floors, which are luxury vinyl plank, and I do have a video all about my flooring. I will leave that link down in the description box below as well. But we just use water and then like this cleaner that we get at Home Depot that's recommended for luxury vinyl planks because you can't use a lot of harsh chemicals or anything acidic like that. So yeah, I'm just using the Rubbermaid squirt mop, and I think next time I'm just going to use my steam mop just because it's a lot quicker and I don't have to pump this little pump and I might just move this little guy upstairs to use this in the bathroom. I think a steam mop would do a lot better too at removing some of the dirt and spots on this floor, because sometimes it's really hard to see with all the grain that's already in the flooring. It's hard to tell sometimes if it's a dirt spot or, you know, something that's stuck on there versus a natural wood grain in the flooring. For anyone who's thinking about getting this type of flooring or switching out carpet, if you want my opinion on it, I do really love having this flooring. The only downside I would say is that you have to like double clean it. So you have to vacuum it or sweep it and then clean it. So with carpet, obviously you just vacuum it, one and done. The plus side is it doesn't harbor all that dust and stuff. So if you're sensitive or have allergies, anything like that, carpet can get really dusty and dirty. So in that aspect, this flooring is a lot cleaner. Okay, so moving on to laundry. This is later in the day after my kids are home from school. I have an entire video dedicated to my laundry routine and how I keep it really quick and simple. I only do a few loads a week and it doesn't take me all day. I don't let laundry pile up. I don't know, it's just laundry's never been an issue for me. I don't love doing it, but I also don't hate it. So if you are needing any tips or ideas on a laundry routine, go ahead and check out that video and see if you find it helpful. So this wraps up today's entire house all day clean with me. Hopefully you found this helpful and motivational, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and if you click that little notification bell, it will alert you whenever I do post a new video. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you have an account. Come say hi, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone. And here is a photo of the rainbow that I took after the rain. I love the rainbow because it reminds us of God's promise to us.